Hey guys, it's Kerlynn and today I'm gonna share a Chinese dessert recipe which I love to have it every now and then. This Chinese dessert is called snow fungus soup. Snow fungus soup is a traditional Chinese dessert which is often consumed due to its medical properties, such as healing the dry cough and its inflammatory properties. The main reason why I like this dessert is because it's not only easy to make, affordable, delicious, and also it's because it has high content of collagen, which will help you maintain the youthful look on your face to make sure you stay young and beautiful. Before we start making the dessert, there are two ingredients that needs to be prepared before we start making it. First would be the white fungus. White fungus needs to be soaked overnight and in just a container and filled with water. And this fungus will soften overnight and then it will expand. And the next would be the peach gum. Peach gum also need to be soaked in water overnight and it will expand and soften too. So now all the ingredients are prepared and ready, and now we'll move on to the next part, which is the cooking part. I will use the slow cooker to cook, but you can also cook with other methods or other pots. And first I'll add all the ingredients: the red dates, the white fungus, the goji berries. I'll also add in a pandan leaf, which is optional. It makes the dessert taste more to my liking, but it's optional. And I will leave the peach gum out and not add in until it's ready to be served. And after adding all the ingredients, I will use hot water so that it's faster to cook. So add in some hot water, and then after that just close the lid and wait for it to boil. And now it's boiled, so give it a stir, and then if you like, you can add in rock sugar or just sugar to make it sweeter a little bit. The last step is to add the peach gum and give it a stir, close the lid and let it boil for a little bit, and then voila, it's ready to be served.